See, look at my posture. Absolutely terrible. Okay, welcome back to Teemo FPV, another video where mediocre flying is what I do best. And we are on episode 19, I believe, and we are going to spin the wheel, see what we got going. So yeah, before we do though, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe on the video if you want to see more. Keep up with the journey if I can finish all 64 by the time something else happens. I don't know. The wheel is spun. The time is now. This is episode 19 of 64, the backswing. Let's do this. All right, so the backswing. Watching this, it looks pretty simple, but of course everything looks simple until you actually do it. Yes, okay, so let's do this. So first, we have the 180, and then the up, and the down. Okay, I gotta get the 180 quicker. I think there's a net in here, so I don't wanna, yeah, there is. Let's just go straight. It's a flip, and then, he like did it together, but I don't know how to, I'm gonna go faster. Nope, that just looks like I'm falling. So he did the 180 and then up and down. 180, up, down. Do. Dun, 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 dun. It looks like it's gonna rain. I hope it doesn't. Let's do 180. How does he? Oh man, that's crazy. Oh, I hope if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you fly FPV too. I hope you recognize the skills of, not me, certainly not me, recognize the skills of the really good pilots who are just so smooth with it, because man, it's crazy how good they are. But that's why we're here, putting in the practice, getting those reps in, you know what I'm saying? All right, let's bring this one in. Bring her in and get on to the next battery. Don't get run over. All right, battery number 2. The backswing. Let's do this, okay. Right off the gate, can we just do this? Maybe, I think I need to cut throttle when I get to the top, otherwise, because if you notice, so this is throttle the whole time, ready? Throttle the whole time. See how I go forward like that? I don't want that. I kind of want to fall want to let gravity take me, so I'm going to cut throttle. Right. Nope, sorry. No, it just looks like a turn. I need to do it the flat 180. Flat 180. Go, cut throttle. Oh, maybe we go higher. Okay. Let's try going higher. Ooh, yes, that looked, at least that felt good. Yeah, that one felt good. All right, he did it next to a tree, and I want to do it next to a tree. Actually, wait, did he do it next to a tree? Or did he just do it? Okay, nope, that's not it. See the benefits of this trick. I feel like you could almost do it accidentally, you know? Not me, but someone could. Let's try this. Can't see this tree. I want to do it around something, you know, not just in the open air. Let's do it here. Whew. All right, here it is. This is another one, another good one. Watch this. All right, let's bring her in. Ooh, check it out. Can I go through my car? That's a joke. I'm not doing that. Ooh, there's the ground. Here we go. Watch this. I think I have an idea for how to make this the best one yet. Start over here. Whew. I'm still going forward a little bit. I just want to... Oh, that's not it. I want to... go backwards more, if that makes sense. That was better. Okay. How far can I go? If you want good posture, don't fly FPV. Oh, there's a school bus. What up, school bus? Turn it around. Oh, we still got it. Oh, okay, losing it. It's okay. We're coming around, and we turn it around, go up and down. Nice. Absolutely classic. What else can we do? Ooh, I have an idea. Ooh, actually, okay. Let's see if I can do this. Answer is probably not. No. We got this. One last try. Nope, that's not it. Okay, let's do it again. And we will be on our way. Hi. See, look at my posture. Absolutely terrible. Another day, another trick in the books, in the works. Finito. This time I will show this. Last time I totally forgot, but that's okay. Episode 19 of 64. Didn't think we'd make it this far, and we still keep going. Backswing. You know what? We're gonna draw a little swing. For this trick, I think, let's do 1.5 star out of 5. Because I thought it would be way easier than it was, but it still gave me a little bit of trickiness. Because it was that pushing forward as you were going up. It's kind of tricky. So there you go. That is trick number 19 complete. That's it. I don't know what you're still doing here. If you've still watched this far, marvelous. You are the real hero. I hope all your dreams come true. Everyone who left early, I hope their dreams don't come true. It's their loss and it's your victory. Okay, I'm Team FPV. As you know, stay soaring. Catch you in the next video.